So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Hacktify Diaries where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and also a video and updated notes related to CH exams. No matter you are preparing for the version 13 or 12, I have already uploaded so many videos as you can see in my channel related to the CH exams where you can go and just watch that how to get ready for the CH practical exams. Apart from that, I have also uploaded many other videos related to hacking, that how you can become an anonymous while doing surfing on the internet, how to get your first cybersecurity job after getting your certification done, and how to clear your CH version 13 which is conducted by the EC Council and which is came recently in 2025. So everything I have covered. And in this video, so as I said, in this video we are going to see that how actually a hackers or a attackers can compromise your system with just an image file, no matter it's a PNG or JPG. If you have seen, many videos are there on YouTube in where they show you that how an attackers can hack your machines with the help of the exe files or the Android APK. With the help of the APK file they can compromise your Android devices. But in this video we are going to see that how you can compromise a Windows machine with the help of just an image. And this video I'm going to show you everything properly step by step. Okay, so without wasting time, we'll start this video. So as you can see here, now I'm in my Kali Linux machine. If I'll show you, this is my Kali Linux machine, which will be our attacker machine, and this will be our Windows machine, which will be our like we can say our victim machine. Okay, so with the help of our Kali Linux machine we are going to compromise our Windows machine with just with an image. Okay, so as you can see, I have already downloaded an image. So this is a normal image. Okay, there is no malicious script is there in this image, or there is no scripting, there is no any malicious script I have embedded in this video. Okay, so now what I'm going to do in this video, we are going to see that how I will upload an exe file inside this image, and how we will going to compromise our Windows machine. So make sure guys, before moving ahead, this video is only for the educational purpose. Do not to attempt any attacks without permissions by the system, by the owners of their system. So make sure do not to do any illegal activity if you are doing such kind of things, so you will be responsible for that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll simply come back in my Kali Linux machine. I'll open my terminal here, and what we have to do, we need to create a simple payload. Okay, as we create for the Windows. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a simple payload. So for that we are going to type the MSF venom -p for the platform, then Windows because we are creating this malware for the Windows, then reverse TCP because we are going to take a reverse shell. Okay, and then we are going to put our L host because whatever I'm going to do, I'm going to perform everything in my own local host machine. Okay, I'm not performing anything by forwarding my local IP, or I'm not doing any port forwarding. Okay, so for the port I took the 1234 hyphen F, which is our exe. Okay, and hyphen O, which is going to be our output, and output will we are going to select it as a black video.exe. So no necessary that you need to select only black video.exe, you can give any name to this exe file. So now what I'm going to do, I'll simply create this file. Okay, so for that I'm going to put the enter button. That's it, we'll wait for a few seconds and it will generate an exe file. Okay, so now I know everyone know about this method. As you can see, saved as a black video.exe, and the file size was 7382, sorry 802 was the bytes of the file size. So make sure I know, so as I said, I know that everyone, okay, there are many videos related to the this are already available on the YouTube. But as I said, in this video we are going to bind this payload into an image. Okay, and with the help of that particular image we are going to attack our Windows machine and will compromise the Windows machine. So what I'm going to do now, here we'll start our listener also. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'll simply start here our listener with the help of MSF console -q. That's it. And in the another, we are going to open another terminal where we are going to set up our Python server to upload this malicious blackvideo.exe file into our Windows machine. So before moving ahead, what I'm going to do, I'll simply first disable my Windows security now. Okay, now many of your questions have that how to bypass this Windows security. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to show you that also, that how you can actually bypass this Windows security. So when you will upload that file again, so at that time this will work and we will able to easily bypass the Windows Defender. Apart from that, we how to do the encryption. Okay, how to encrypt the malicious files, so it chances will be the less, as compared to previous one, that the antivirus, okay, there are the antivirus which are there available in the market like Bitdefender, Trend Micro, McAfee, will not be able to detect that our antivirus. And how we can also use the bits admin. Okay, bits admin is basically it's a function of a Windows PowerShell. How with the help of that we can also inject our payload into our file manager. So now what I'm going to do, I'll simply access my that particular IP here, and as you can see now we can access our Kali Linux desktop directory. Okay, so here there is a file name blackvideo.exe. What I'm going to do, I'll simply right click and it will download it for us. See more, or like if I'll do keep, show more, keep anyway, that's it. And now if I'll open this, I will simply drag this and paste it to my desktop. That's it. Now what we have to do, as you can see, now we have our payload, and we have our download. Okay, our image and our payload right now we have. So what I'm going to do now, I'll use this ICO converter. Okay, I will use this ICO converter to resize that particular image which we have downloaded. Okay, it's already available in the downloads. Just simply unselect this one and select 64 pixels. For the bit depth we are going to select the 8 bits. Okay, now click on the convert. That's it. It will automatically download a new image which name will be the fav icon. Okay, we'll wait for a second. Yeah, as you can see, favicon.ico, our new image is created here. I'll simply drag and drop to the desktop again. That's it. Let's close this one too also. And now I'm going to give this file as a rename, and let's see, we'll give a icon. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm going to do, we'll simply select all, both this one black video and the download one. And now what I'm going to do, simply click on the add archive. From here what I'm going to do, let's suppose, let me just change the name. Okay, let's suppose, let me change the name for the football. And here what I'm going to do, compress to this to is as best. That's it. Now next we have to go into the advanced in the compression, not compression, in the SFX version. Let me just come back here again, create SFX archive, then go on the advanced SFX options. Let's go into the advanced sections, and here what we have to do, notes for the setup. And now what I'm going to do here, I will type blackwidow.exe, and our second file name which is download.jpg. Okay, download.jpg. That's it. We'll click on the then next on the update, text and icons. From here what I'm going to do, I'll simply open our icon file which we have downloaded and renamed, right? So let me just simply click on the OK button. That's it. We need to press again OK button. That's it. So now as you can see, the one we have created and give the name football. And here now what we have to do, we need to simply run our listener also. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do, use exploit multi handler, set payloads windows, because we created this payload for the windows. Okay, slash meterpater slash reverse TCP. That's it. Let's set our L host which is our h0, then L port which we defined there at the 1234. And now if I'll type the exploit, it will start our listener here. Okay, now it will start our listener here. So as you can see, started TCP handler on our particular this IP on port 1234. So if I'll come back here again, and now now if I'll click on the football. Okay, so what it will say, click on the install, yes to all. That's it. And if you wait for a few seconds, so as you can see, there is an image opened here. Okay, there is an image opened here, but in this image what we did, we hide our payload. So if I'll come back here again, our Windows Linux machines, as you can see, we got our shell. Now if I'll type here ls, so as you can see, we can see all the directory inside this machine. And if I'll type ifconfig, so we can see the IP address also. Okay, we can see the IP address of the machine 192.168.14.80. Okay, now if I want to create a directory, for example, if I want to change my directory, now I am inside my home directory. Okay, so as you can see, documents, program files, etc, etc, etc. Now if I'll go into the desktop, okay, or say into the user sections, so now I'm inside the users. If I'll go into the desktop one, or say the Frank Castle, which is our username, this one, copy selections, page selection. That's it. Now if we'll come back here, so as you can see, all the files and other directories And in the desktop one, as you can see, we which one downloaded, the one we downloaded, blackvideo.exe, desktop.ini, download.jpg. Now if I want to create another file, okay, now for example, if I want to create another file from here only, so make the here you have been, okay, or say like hello, okay. What did it say? Okay, we cannot create directly. For that we need to take the shell access. Okay, now we are the shell access. Okay, now we have the shell access of the device. If I'll take the who I am, now as you can see, Spider-Man Rick Castle. Okay, let's suppose if I want to create now, it will work or not. Let's see. mkdir hello. Yeah. So now you can see hello directory has been created. If I'll say ls or say for the dir, okay. So now you can see we have a directory which is cd hello, right? So now if I want to create anything else in this device or say in this particular folder, we can create that too, right? So let me say like cd nano, or sorry, cd hello, and now if I'll go into the nano hello, so we cannot actually use nano in the Windows machine. So in overall, as you can see, with the help of just how a simple image file we binded our payload, and with the help of that particular image, how easily we able to compromise our Windows machine, and how exploitable it was and how critical it was. Okay, so make sure the agenda of this video is only that never download any image from the internet without any without doing what you can say, don't download any image from unknown sources. Okay, it can be dangerous for your system, it can be dangerous for your device. So make sure whenever you are downloading anything, make sure you are downloading from the right source. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoyed this video and you got something to learn from this video. If you got something to learn from this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please share this video to others so they can be safe. Okay, so we'll meet in the another video. As for now, that's it guys, thank you.